we're at the shop for now, but we're getting ready to head to Charlotte to buy furniture and furniture. Okay. So
we gotta go pick up Cassandra. She's our volunteer for the day.
Yeah, we gotta go pick up Cassandra. We gotta pick up the U-Haul and get on the road, because it'd take way too long to get everything shipped, so we're just gonna have to drive down and pick everything up ourselves. So if last week's video is uploaded late, now you know why. Alright, we're gonna get driving.
I missed it. He's walking out now. Oh, what's that face? Why is he? I'm vlogging, goddammit. Why are you looking at me like that for?
Because you're sticking a camera in my face.
Oh. That's what vlogging is.
Potatoes.
Where are you? Okay. Where are you, do you want me to back up? Back it up. Back it up. Okay. Mr. Man's gonna do everything himself because he doesn't trust me driving his baby.
Okay, quick update while you're watching us drive along 77 here. This video is definitely coming out a little bit, well, not a little bit, but a lot bit late. Things have gotten really hectic at the shop. At the time of recording this voiceover, it is 4:28. So it's definitely been some time since the video was actually recorded, but good news is we open on Thursday, so the next video you guys will see will actually be of the shop up and running. We did a test run on Sunday, which was went pretty well. We just held 2 card tournaments for the local community and had quite more people show up than we expected, and it was very helpful because it gave us the ability to figure out the POS system and everything like that. We got all the inventory in and everything's ready to go, so the next thing you guys are going to see is the shop ready to go. But I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, which is more stuff leading up to where we're at now, which is a lot. It's been stressful. Well, stressful is an absolute understatement. We've been going non-stop. I got sick last week on Thursday, so it's made it significantly more difficult, but we're still on track. Everything's good to go. We're ready to open. Still no distributor. So when you see the shop, don't be surprised that we don't have any cards or supplies for like trading cards and stuff. We're working on it. It's just an absolute headache right now with the way distribution's going on. Everybody and their mother wants to open an online store, so it's making it really hard for distributors to accept new accounts because they can't keep up with the sheer volume of people opening up online stores and brick and mortar stores. There are a few that have told us that they're working towards accepting solely brick and mortar stores, so that'll be helpful. As soon as we can get in with one of those distributors, that'd be great. Shout out to Austin for hooking us up with some of the product that he had left over. It might not be the best product in the world, but at least it's something on the shelf to give to the Yu-Gi-Oh community for entry packs. And then we picked up a box of Supreme Darkness at well over market price. I didn't realize it till after I purchased it, but it was priced for $90, and then market price for it right now is like $50. It's not a big deal, but that's going to be kind of our price support for this foreseeable future for Yu-Gi-Oh! Sadly, we don't have any sealed product for One Piece, though thankfully I do have a One Piece collection. So what I did on Sunday was I gave out cards of relative value for the placements in the tournament this weekend. So like first place got two $8 cards, second place got a $5 card, and then third place got a $3 card. So I just quickly dug through my collection and grabbed some stuff out that had some value. That way, if the guys want to take it somewhere and trade it in for store credit or bring it back to me, I'll buy it back from them for store credit, or just cash if they'd rather have cash. You know how the whole thing goes. But yeah, so I'm going to stop rambling and let you guys enjoy some of this B-roll and the footage of us getting the supplies for the shop and putting some things together, so you get kind of a sneak peek for Thursday if you guys come out and hang out with us for a little bit. We're going to be opening at 11. The grand opening ceremony with the city starts at 11 as far as I'm aware. It's going to be a nice little event. I think we're doing free play for everything, for the consoles and stuff, but yeah, we're pretty much, we're there. We're there. There's still little odds and ends that we got to iron out, and there's going to be some growing pains, and I'm not even going to hide it from you guys or anybody. There's definitely going to be some growing pains, and if you guys just bear with us, we're going to be doing our best to bring you the best product we possibly can. It's going to be constant changes, all kinds of stuff going on. But yeah, we're really excited for the feedback and whatever else you guys would like to talk to us about.
month it ends. So, really happy for today to be over with.
Yeah.
It's a really long day. I'd say even more so for Joe because he's drove the whole day. I did offer to switch, but he does not trust me with the trailer. He won't say it, but I know that's what it is.
Alright, so yes, I'm using my phone for this one, but I left the GoPro in the truck and don't feel like walking back out there. We just got back. Brought everything in, unloaded the U-Haul, took the U-Haul back. So here's the haul of what we got the last couple days. So we got 4 love seats over there for the game stations. We got a sectional for the lounge. We got some tables. We got some floating shelves. And then we got like miscellaneous stuff that y'all don't care about, like toilet paper and stuff like that we'll need. That's going to be an organizing shelf for the what little bit of cards, singles I will have. We got TV mounts, sound bar for the theater room, got a coffee pot, rug for the front, stuff to hang the curtains. So got all that. You guys will probably see this has already been taken care of by Tawny. We're gonna come back tomorrow, so you're gonna scrub this. We've got our security system, well, our cameras at least. We'll have 4. I'm gonna get the 4 put up, and then I gotta order 4 more because this system can hold up to 8, and it records up to I think I have 2 months worth of recording saved on the DVR, and then unlimited recording in the cloud. I did a lot of research before we bought this, and surprisingly, Sam's had this for about. It was a little bit cheaper to buy it from Sam's than it was from the distributor itself, which is actually kind of nice. But the game plan for tomorrow, which you guys will see, is I'm going to take those back with me. The trim pieces for this, because I fucked up this corner and it just barely doesn't cover, and my OCD wouldn't allow me to leave a little sliver. But we're gonna pick up plywood for shelving in here and the countertops tomorrow. So while I work on the countertops, Tawny's gonna clean the theater and put it together. So we'll have the projector and everything up, and that'll be good to go. We got tables in. We picked those up yesterday. We got to go back to Sam's at some point and buy the chairs. We got 4 8-foot tables. We're probably going to have it set up like this, slid up against this wall, because that's where the lighting is, so everybody can see their cards. And we're going to start with the theater. So you're going to start with the theater room, getting it cleaned and put together. As I finish this, once I get this finished, we'll start putting the rest of the shop together. So hopefully by the end of next week, we'll be able to open. So hopefully by the time you see this, we'll be open. Hopefully. I got to clean the shop vac filter. I know I'm going to get roasted if anybody paid attention to the build this from last week, because this is where I left off. I've still got to edit this video. So it's late. I'm sorry. I'm a failure. I have ADHD and get sidetracked easily. But we're going to start getting stuff together. The big furniture items, we'll go ahead and get put together, and we're cool with leaving them in the shop. I got to get with our property manager and get him to get this door put up, because he's still got to get this door put up. He's got to get his snake for his septic snake and his ladder and sign. He's still got to get those out of here so that we can get this place open. And then we still got to finish this room. I completely forgot about this fucking room. But all that's left is in here. We got to sand the walls down. I've got to build a false wall right here, and then we just clean, paint, put some trim up, and be done in here, which isn't too much. Once I knock out the fucking countertop, I can knock this out tomorrow. So we're almost there. We are going to be opening soon. I can't wait to see it start to come together because we are so close to being ready to open. And I'm going to give you guys the most boring video once everything's done, where it's just going to be you and me talking about what the actual cost of opening, just getting the doors open is, because I think it would surprise a lot of you what it actually takes just to get the doors open before we can even sell the first thing, rent the first console. But until tomorrow, lights out.
Good morning, everybody. Man, oh, that's the volume. Joe's testing my patience. Oh, I'm gonna. Yeah, anyways, we just left Lowe's and Joe was putting some stuff in there. We got the top for the counter. We got some plywood for the shelves, some trim. Hoping to get the countertop mostly the rest of the way built today. We got butcher block countertop, so we don't know if we want to stain it or if we just want to seal it. Gotta figure that out. We got a lot to do today. Today's Sunday, so it's Joe's last day off for the weekend. He's probably gonna spend all day building the counter, finishing the counter, and I'm going to clean the house.
Yes, Miss Sass.
Me, Miss Sass?
Yeah.
You are being insufferable this morning.
I'm adorable.
Oh my god. You and your damn lotion. Get your dry hands out of here.
You want some lotion?
Oh! Stop! Okay, well that's that update. I don't know what else to say. I guess that's it. What's happening? I don't want to look at Snapchat. Go away. Okay, I'm sure Joe will come at you with updates later. Bye!
GoPro died. So here's the updates. All this mess has been cleaned out. Still waiting on the door to get put in. I gotta message Kevin. Well, got all this cleaned up. Finished the covering. I've got the baseboard set up to where starting in that wall, working this way, set up to where once we paint it, I can just throw them up real quick, paint the baseboards, be done with it. I've got to get quarter round for down there and trim for up there. I want to keep that somewhat accessible. That's why I went with plywood for there. That way, if we ever do need to get into that septic pipe, we can just unbolt some things. Then we move into here. Countertop's done, pushed where it's gonna be. We gotta finish painting it. We've been cleaning. Once we're done painting it, then I can put the butcher block, mount the butcher block down. But Tawny cleaned up through here real nice. And just gotta get all that painted. And then here's the tournament space. So we set it up, kind of staged it, see what it was gonna look like. So we got 4 tournament tables, and then we're gonna have 2 consoles set up back here because it's just the most space efficient. One facing that wall, one facing this wall. I'm keeping that plywood. There's some stuff I can't take out yet because I've just loaded the truck bed full of all the trash and scrap and shit. So all the stuff I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna come back and get tomorrow after work because I'll just go straight to the dump, unload the truck, come back, load the truck again with all the stuff I've got to take to the house. But on another tangent, projector's up, ready to go. Got to get some stuff for the speaker because it's just ripping the anchors out of the walls. So I got to get a better mounting setup for it. Couch is set up. This room's basically done other than decorations now. We're getting there. We're almost done. We got 2 things to paint. Basically, once I finish that room and finish painting this and mount that, we're done. It's just mounting TVs, but I'm not mounting TVs until we get that back door replaced because I'm keeping all the expensive stuff at the house. I'm not leaving it here. Just not doing it. Yeah, but we're there. We're fucking there, man. Finally. I'm gonna clean up these cables in case Kevin, I keep saying his name, but fuck, in case Kevin comes and does what he's supposed to do with the door while I'm at work tomorrow. So I'm gonna get the walkway cleared up a little bit and then head to the house because I've been here since 9 this morning and it's 8 o'clock and I need to go home and shower and get ready for work in the morning. But yeah, we're almost there, guys. Probably by the time you see this video, we'll be open. Hopefully, fingers crossed.